Hello, everyone. Today will be a bit different. I know a lot of people are concerned. How do I make money by the side, what we call side hustle online? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make some money by the side, doing some very wonderful things you love to do online. So first thing you want to do is to go to the site, sidehustlestack.co, and you're going to have quite a lot of sectors you may want to pick one from. But let's take an example. This I'll choose tax and services. So you can see you can pick any of these companies that are offering gigs. You can look at this flexible small business. So I picked this one, Kamano. So that's it. So you just read the requirements. They just need you to have a computer with internet connection. People already making money on the platform is 40,000 people, and this is how much that they pay, $100 per hour. So you just sign up here, and voila. Okay, let me pick another one. Let me assume go sure. It's a beautiful one. So you make sure you read the requirements. You need a bank account, application required. Almost everyone is accepted, age 18, and all that and all that. Then look at how much they pay per hour. So you can take advantage of this and make money by the way. All right. Thank you. I'm going to see you again next week, and make sure you subscribe, like, share our videos, and I'm coming to you every week with exciting features on how to make your IT world much easier and faster. See you soon. Bye-bye.